Hello everyone. This one here is Drosera Paleacea giant Pygmy Sundew. And here we got some GEMMAE that I'm going to just plant, and I'm just going to just like spread it around. Put some here, put some there. No specific pot. I just kind of like stick them anywhere there's room. And I just kind of have it growing on my other plants. I don't really have a pot separate for just Drosera Paleacea. And it's wintertime right now, so that's when you see the GEMMAE forming. Oh, look, they're dropping everywhere. So check out how small they look. It's very tiny, so if you drop one, it's going to be really hard to find. It's a little difficult holding the camera and taking off the GEMMAE, so let me just put the camera to the side and let me go ahead and try to take it off. And I always make sure to spray them with distilled water, of course. Thank you so much for watching Mike Hunter's Carnivorous Plants. More videos coming soon. Thanks. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the description. Bye.